We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable mirrors, power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, skid plates, engine block heater, Bluetooth, technology package, heated steering wheel, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.